Here's the problem. Number one, the Torah is not always in order. In fact, at the end of Perek Chav Hey, it says that Yishmael died, and then Perakim Chav Vav through Chav Ches go through Yaakov and Esav's life. Clearly, they were not born after Yishmael died. Therefore, this pasuk about Esav going to Yishmael for a wife does not have to be after the brachas. It could have been well before the brachas. It also could have been many years after the brachas. The brachas could have happened much earlier, and then many years later, he went to Yishmael. Second, going to Yishmael is generally speaking. He went to Yishmael's camp or family. He went to go find a wife from the daughters of Yishmael. Not necessarily where Yishmael was living or whether he was alive. Further, Yishmael's family was spread out between Egypt and Assyria, as the pasuk says. So therefore, he went to Yishmael's family, but he went to get machlas, and the closest relative was Nevoyos. Yishmael was somewhere very far away. Number three, even if it was right after the brachos, there were actually two brachos. The pasuk says, and Esav saw because Yitzchak blessed Yaakov, and he sent him to Padan Aram, take a wife from there, and he blessed him. And he commanded him, saying, do not take a wife from the daughters of Canaan. But which time was this? The first time when the brachas were given were over the lambs. Esav comes and does not get a bracha. Then Rivka sometime later finds out that Esav said in his heart that he wants to kill Yaakov after Yitzchak and Rivka pass away. Yitzchak fetches Yaakov and gives him another bracha. Tel Shakai should make you fertile and numerous, and the offsprings should be granted the blessings of Abraham. So when did Esav go to find a different wife? The pasuk says that Esav saw that Yaakov was blessed the second time. But then the pasuk says, with a vav, and Esav saw that the daughters of Canaan were bad in the eyes of Yitzchak. He already knew this after he married his first wife. The Torah said much earlier that the daughters of Canaan were a source of bitterness for Yitzchak and Rivka. Thus, it is unclear exactly when he went to Yishmael to get his wife.